It's me and Kay said he's going to react to NYAN Cat or whatever the crap you say.
Yeah.
And yes, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe if you're new. And it will be. And coming soon is me and David's night out. Yeah.
Movie night.
Not a movie night.
A scary movie.
Yeah, we're going to watch a scary movie. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Kaysen, you're going to watch NYAN Cat. You ready? Yeah, cat. Dance! Sorry about my living room, it's kind of messy. Dance! Look at the cat! Look! Who's actually enjoying this? Are you enjoying it, David? I don't think he's enjoying it.
Yay, cat. Yay.
Oh, it still has like a little bit of... Still has a couple minutes. Feel, David?
Annoyed.
You like it? Let it play. Do you not like it? Kitty poo poo. Rainbows. Say poo. Say nasty. A shoe. Say a shoe. Say shoey. Shoo shoo. Say nasty. Come on, dance. Go, David. It's going.
Good.
Kaysen couldn't even watch the whole thing.
That's it? No pop-ups?
No?
Huh. Well, that's a waste of time.
I watch it every day.
Oh, is that what
I watch the 10-hour version, though. You want to watch the 10-hour version?
No, I think we're good.
Here, I'll press play.
Is this mine by the bags?
Want a drink?
Walk off, watch the 10-hour version. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye.